All right, everybody. Our homeschool group is called Zeal Academy, and we are doing an experiment today. Right? We are doing the volcano experiment. We've got our volcano,
Plastic volcano?
all plastic volcano. Okay, so we need our materials. Our materials are, we got baking soda, right?
Baking soda?
We have
Vinegar?
vinegar. We have our measuring cups and
Spoons?
measuring spoons. We have food coloring.
Red? So when you pour everything in, you put four drops of red food coloring so it mixes up
To make it look like lava, right? That's inside the volcano. Okay, what else? We need dish soap, so we're getting Dawn dish soap. We don't need tissues though, right?
Look.
Oh,
Tissue. We need tissue.
we do need tissues. Okay.
I know, I think that's crazy to me. I don't know why we
Hey,
would need
you know we're
tissues.
doing. This is my first time doing this experiment, so hey, let's read the instructions, follow the directions, and let's have fun. Okay, so step number 1. What does it say?
Step number 1. Turn the lab pad over to the experiment side. Gather your materials. Put on your lab glasses.
Okay, so we don't have our lab pad, but we are going to use a tray so we can catch everything that explodes into the tray, and we can easily clean that up. So it doesn't matter if you have a lab pad or a tray or anything that you have for cleanup.
And you can use any glasses.
Okay. Where are your glasses?
Yeah.
We don't know. They went missing?
Mhm.
Okay.
Step 2. Put your volcano in the center of the lab pad. There will be
Overflow.
overflow.
That means it's going to come out of the middle and out into wherever you have your pad. So this is going to get dirty.
Very dirty.
Okay. What's step number 3?
Step 3. Volcanoes erupt when magma rises and pushes through the top of the volcano. Magma or lava is lighter than the rocks, so it rises like air bubbles. In soda,
And soda.
we are going to see how that works.
Good reading.
Step 4. Add 3 teaspoons of warm water into the volcano.
Okay, do we have warm water? We gotta go get warm water.
We forgot!
Quick, run! Get warm water in here.
Wait, how much?
Just, since we have to go get it, so get 1/4 of a cup.
So now we got our warm water.
Uh-huh.
So step 5.
We have to add the 3 teaspoons of warm water into the volcano. So that's,
Can I help to
well, let's, how do you measure 3 teaspoons? What do we have here?
the
Which one says 1 teaspoon?
This one.
That one. The abbreviation for teaspoon is TSP.
More?
Yes. You're gonna have to pour in. You have to pour it in or put it in an angle. Nope. Okay. 2, and 3. Good. Now we can move on to step number 5.
Whoa. Step 5. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar into the volcano.
Okay, so 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. So we're done with the warm water. So let's take out this water. Put it into the bowl.
Yeah.
And let's do vinegar. Add the adult, pour in the vinegar.
Because it would get very messy.
Alright, here, let's have fun with this. We have,
Oh, it stinks.
it's stinky, right? Let's count.
Stink.
1. Yeah. And 3. Oh, but that was. So we have half. Oh, I think we used the wrong one. Well, we have a little bit more than we needed. This might be interesting. We used the wrong one. So we used half a tablespoon, TBSP, instead of half a teaspoon. I think we're gonna take a little bit out because
But it would be pretty cool.
that's a bit much.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, we'll try that. Good luck to us. Okay. Now, what's step number 6?
Step 6. Add 1.5 teaspoons of dish detergent.
Dish detergent. I'm still gonna take one out because I don't feel comfortable. All right, that should be good. All right, so now we need dish detergent, right? 1.5 teaspoons. So we're gonna grab 1.
Ugh,
Ooh,
it's sticky and gooey.
yeah,
And slimy.
right?
Yeah, it looks like slime.
Okay, half. Okay, that works. Okay, so we have 1.5.
Oh, it stinks. Oh,
Of course it's gonna stink, it has vinegar.
ew.
Okay,
It stinks.
so we have 1.5 teaspoons of dish detergent into the volcano. Then add, nope, hold on. Then add about 4 drops of red food coloring into the volcano.
Can I do it?
Sure. Let's count to 4. 1,
2. 2. 3.
3, 1 more,
4. 4. You can easily go into your hands. 4.
Ah, ooh, it stings.
It stings?
It stings, I have a cut.
Oh, then you shouldn't have used that finger.
Yeah, forgot. Okay, I'll use a tissue. All right, now, what else we got? Now,
Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to about 1/4 of a utensil.
tissue.
Tissue.
So we got our tissue.
1/4?
1/4. So how would we do this tissue in 1/4?
Cut it in half.
Wait. Does it say wrapped up the tissue very tight so it will fit into the volcano? Okay, so I guess you do have to cut it in half. Alright, cut it in half first. Okay, great. So now we have it in half. Now, how would you do it in 1/4? So we kind of have to have 4 pieces. So what would you do? Fold half of it. That's right, you fold half of it in half. Just we only need 1. And then you're gonna do what?
Fold it again.
Nope, you're gonna cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have 1/2. And then you're gonna fold it in half. So that's 1. You got 1/4. So you gotta cut it here. There we go. Good. So now we have 1/4 because we have 3. Got 3 pieces here. 1, 2, and 3. So this is 1/4.
But we need to fold it up.
Right. But you have to put in the baking soda first. So let's put in the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
No. It was 1/4 of it.
That's 1/4 of a tissue. I'm gonna use this to clean it because we still have dish detergent on it. Okay. So 1/2 of this. Does that look like 1/2 to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna put 1/2 of a teaspoon in here of 1/4 of a tissue.
It smells weird.
Wrap it up tight, like so. Okay, now, watch out because now it's going
To explode.
to explode. Okay, ready? Hold on. So, when you're ready for the volcano to erupt, drop the tissue into the volcano. What's happening here? The acid of the vinegar is reacting with the base of the baking soda, causing gases to rise, and this is similar to the gases in the magma that erupts from the volcano. Ooh. Okay, ready? I'm super excited. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Push it in. Push it in. Let's see. Get in there. Get in there.
Lava explosion! It's falling through the cracks.
Whoa. Let's see. Can we push it in even more?
I guess you're supposed to push it.
All the way in.
Explosion!
No.
Is it all done? Is it all done?
No. Melted rock. Melted.
Okay, well it's coming up.
How do we make it explode again?
I think you have to do the whole process all over again, but look at how much exploded. Wow.
Ouch! It's lava!
Did you like it? Did you have fun with this experiment?
Yeah!
Ouch, it's lava.
I want to do another one.
Again?
Ouch, it's lava.
Okay, well let's pour it out.
It's not pouring. It's because of the soap. Whoa.
The tissue.
Where's the tissue?
I don't know.
Let me see it.
Did the tissue evaporate into the gases? Oh,
No.
it didn't.
What's that in there? What is- That is some dawn.
Ew, it's squishy.
Ugh, it feels so weird. Tissue.
All right, well,
That was fun.
that was fun.
That was sticky. It's sticky.
That was fun.
It was
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.